Good morning, students from Standard 8 English Medium. Chapter number 3rd. What is the chapter name? Pronouns. So, in this chapter, I have explained the types of pronoun. Means some of the pronouns I use subjective and objective in the personal pronoun and the possessive pronoun I have explained. Now comes to the demonstrative pronouns. Okay, so in these pronouns, how can we know that this is the demonstrative pronoun? So we can learn these demonstrative pronouns, the definition. See, what is the definition? How can we know about this demonstrative pronoun? And one more thing, how can we know that demonstrative pronoun different from the demonstrative adjective? Afterwards, we see the demonstrative pronouns are words that identify noun. What identify noun? All the pronouns, demonstrative pronoun, personal pronoun, whatever pronouns that identify the nouns in a sentence. For example, these, that, these, and those. These four words. Which word? These and that for the singular, and plural of these called these, and plural of that called those. This word we can use in what? In demonstrative pronoun. Okay, let's see. But these four words we use instead of noun. Okay, so that called demonstrative pronoun. Let's see. Here given the example. I cannot walk fast, and this is my problem. Okay, this is my problem. This is used as subject. Okay, so demonstrative pronoun. This is great news. Use this as subject, means first place. This is great news. Instead of noun we can use this. That was a wonderful experience. These are my books. So all the four sentences examples are writing as the first place or in the middle, but use as the noun. Replace the noun and using these words. So that is called demonstrative pronoun. Okay, let's see how these forms different from the demonstrative adjective. Okay, see, if here given the examples, look at the highlighted words in the sentences given below. Identify them as subjective or objective personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, and or demonstrative pronouns. Also identify the antecedent for each pronoun. Okay, but we here identify the pronouns also. Already I have told about the pronouns. Okay, which pronoun? Subjective, personal pronoun. In personal pronoun, subjective and objective pronoun. Subjective, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. And in the objective, me. Then what? Our, me, us, you, him, her, them. They are called objective. In the possessive pronoun, mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, theirs. They are called possessive pronoun. And these four, these, that, these, and those used as demonstrative pronoun. Instead of noun we can use these four. Okay, so see the first exercise, and in the second exercise we discuss about the demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun, how they are different. Okay, so in this exercise here they is used. So this is the word they is called subjective pronoun. Okay, subjective personal pronoun they, and here use them. This word them is used as objective personal pronoun. Okay, in the second sentence, see here what your word use these words used in demonstrative pronoun, and they use subjective. These words you can remember that, Then here the word ours is used. Ours shows that the possession means the possessive pronoun, and his shows that also the possessive pronoun. Here the first sentence complete. Now second start with he. So he is subjective personal pronoun, and her is used possessive pronoun. At the last them is used objective personal pronoun. in the E form here they use as subjective pronoun and there shows the possessive pronoun, and the F here he is used as a subject, so subjective, and her used possession showing the possessive pronoun. At the last it's his possessive and hers also the possessive pronoun. So this is the exercise we can solve it. Okay, now comes to the second. Here given this is our house. What is the instruction? Rewrite the following sentences by changing the possessive adjective into possessive pronoun. Okay, here given the possessive pronoun, change into possessive adjective. See, this is our house. This is used as subject. This is our house. How we can change it? See, here given the this is our house A. So here this, if we write this after the noun, so this house is what? Our. Then we write ours and full stop. Okay, so in the A form, this house is noun and before that we use this. So given the information about the noun, this house is ours, so this is the possessive not adjective, demonstrative adjective. This is the answer of the first one. This is our house. Whenever you change it, this, that, these and those, you add up before the noun. Before the noun, what? Add these, that, these and those, and change this pronoun. Okay, change into possessive pronoun. So in the second form, soon this will be your book. Soon this will be your book. So soon remains same. This will be your book. So you write the answer. See, soon, then write the word this, and what is the noun? This book. Then write will be, and what? Your. Then write yours and full stop. Soon this book will be yours. This is the adjective. Comes to the third. Is this your umbrella? Is this your umbrella? See, is this your umbrella? Is given at last the question mark. Okay, we form this C as question, so we write is first. Then what? Write this. So what we write? This, or what? We write the umbrella. Is umbrella is umbrella is umbrella is umbrella yours, and where we write the this here question mark. Okay, he is this your umbrella. So if the question mark is given, we change it. How this is your umbrella? How this is your umbrella? Okay, and this after use is, then your umbrella. So how we write this umbrella is yours. After that you write this. Okay, this umbrella is yours. Then comes to the next D. Those were his toys. Those were his toys. Those toys were his. Those, after that you write toys, and that write were. Those toys were his. Full stop. Then the E form. Are these her pens? Are these her pens? So what is the answer of this? Change it. These are her pens. So these pens are her. These pens are her. This is the answer. Now comes to this last one. That was my car. That was my car. So what is the answer? You write first that, then write car. Noun, before this word use that car was my change into mine. So this is how we form the sentences, demonstrative possessive adjective to possessive pronoun. Okay, so is this possessive? This is the answer of this form. I hope you understand it about the demonstrative adjective and possessive adjective, possessive pronoun. Thank you for listening me.